Students, today's focus is multiplying polynomials. You will be able to use the distributive property with polynomials, recognizing that the system of polynomials is closed under multiplication. Multiply polynomials using a table and an area and model. Apply the product of polynomials to solve real-world problems. The essential understanding of this lesson is that polynomials can be multiplied by applying the distributive property or by using a table. They form a system similar to integers. Therefore, the system of polynomials is closed under multiplication. Let's take a look at a few examples.
What is the product of negative 4 times x cubed and the quantity x squared plus 3 times x minus 4?
¿Cuál es el producto de menos 4 por x al cubo y x al cuadrado más 3 por x menos 4?
Okay, let's see what happens when I multiply a monomial with a trinomial. Using the distributive property works for polynomials in the same way that it works for real numbers. As we have here, negative 4x to the cube times x squared plus 3x minus 4. So we multiply each outer term with the inside term one by one. For example, negative 4x to the third power times x squared first, this is the first term, and then plus negative 4x to the third power times 3x, which is the second term, minus minus 4x times negative 4, negative 4x to the third power times negative 4 here, which is the third term. We distribute negative 4x to the cube to each term of the trinomial. So we get negative 4x to the fifth power. So as you see here, when we multiply, we add the exponents. We do not multiply the exponents. We are adding the exponents. Go back and check the laws of the exponent. Minus 12 negative 4 times 3 is negative 12. And x to the third power times x to the first power, it makes x to the fourth power. So 3 plus 1, the exponent is 4, plus 16x to the third power, 16x cubic. This product is negative 4x to the fifth power minus 12x to the fourth power plus 16x to the third power. Now, notice that the product of these two polynomials is a polynomial. So it's a polynomial. Now, I'm going to post this in Google Slides, and you're going to give me the answer for each of the question. Find each product. Negative 2x squared times x squared plus 3x plus 4, and B, negative 4x times 2x minus 3x plus 5. So these are going to be two questions for you to answer as a class work. You're going to give me the answer in the Google Slides. You're going to give me the final answer. So you can pause the video and you can go to Google Slides and answer, since we just did the slide. Second one, let's go over how to use a table to find the product of polynomials. Now, finding a polynomial.
Part A. How is multiplying binomials like multiplying two-digit numbers?
Let's hear it in Spanish.
¿En qué se parece la multiplicación de binomios a la multiplicación de números de dos dígitos?
Let's see the solution using a table to find the product of polynomials. Now, as you see here, we use the table. We can multiply the expression 15 times 18, and x plus 5 times x plus 8 using a table. You can write 15 times 18 in expanded form as 10 plus 5, 10 plus 8. Okay, times 10 plus 8. We have 10 and 5, 10 and 8, so in the expanded form. And we multiply 10 times 10 is 100, 10 times 8 is 80, 5 times 10 is 50, 5 times 8 is 40. So here 15 times 18 is equal to 100 plus 100 plus 80 plus 50 plus 40, which it gives us 270. Same thing here, x plus 5 times x plus 8. And we have x and 5. So x times x is x squared. As you see, we are multiplying each term with each other. So with the second, the first term with the first term, or the second multiplication. So x times x is x squared. X times 8 is 8x. 5 times x is 5x, and 5 times 8 is 40. So this is the way how we multiply, by using the table. Now, we add all of this inside. So x plus 5 times x plus 8 is equal to x squared plus 8x plus 5x plus 40. The final answer is x squared plus 13x plus 40. So you can multiply both binomials in two-digit numbers in expanded form using a distributive property. Now, let's see the study tip for this. Once the two-digit numbers are written in expanded form, you can also use the distributive property to find the product. So using the distributive property. Let me go to the next one. Okay, what is an area of the green rectangle? As you see here, we have one small small square, 2x, x, and 3. How do you find the area of this rectangle? Let's see the solution. The height of the rectangle is represented by 2x plus 1. So this is the height, 2x plus 1, plus this 1. And the width, as you see here, the width is represented by x plus 3. So as you see here, x plus 3 small boxes. Now, we create the expression, which is 2x plus 1 times x plus 3, because we want to find the area of this rectangle. So length times width, and we find the final answer. We use the table, okay? For your organization, you use the table. Use the table to find the area of each section of the rectangle. Combine like terms. So 2x plus 1 and x plus 3. So 2x times x is 2x squared, 2x times 3 is 6x, and 1 times x is x, and 1 times 3 is 3. We add all of them together and we figure out how much is the area of this, which is the green area is 2x squared plus 6x plus x is 7x plus 3, and this is the final answer. Again, the product of these two polynomials is a polynomial. Let me pull over another two problems that you guys have to answer. Again, you have to stop the video and you have to give me the answer on the Google Slides for these two. So it's try it, example 2, try number 2, find the area of each green rectangle. So whatever you did in the previous slide, you do it this and find the area of these two triangles. This is going to be your homework for tonight. Let me see another example, and I want to keep it short so you don't feel really overwhelmed with this. Multiply binomials. Let's see, multiply trinomial and binomial. This one, and that's it. Now, what happened? Let me read it in Spanish. Let me translate it in Spanish.
¿Cómo puedes usar una tabla para hallar el producto de x al cuadrado más 2 por x menos 1 y 3 por x más 4?
Okay, let's take a look. How can you use the table to find the product of x squared plus 2x minus 1 and 3x plus 4? Let's see the solution. When we multiply trinomial, as you see, 3 terms, 1, 2, 3, with the binomial with 2 terms. let's see what's happening. Complete the table. Let's complete the table. When we complete the table, what happened? Write the terms for each polynomial in the first row. Okay, so the first row, 3x plus 4, as you see, 3x plus 4 is here, and x squared, this x squared plus 2x minus 1 is in the top columns. Now, we multiply. Well, as you see, we have multiplied 3x times x squared is 3x to the cubic, and 3x times 2x is 6x squared, and 3x minus 1 is minus 3x. And same thing for x squared times x squared, 4x squared. 4 times 2x is 8x, and 4 times negative 1 is negative 4. Now, we combine like terms. Since we have all these terms here, we have to add them together. But before we add them, we combine like terms. What are the like terms? The like terms are 6x squared and 4x squared, which makes 3x. It's, yes, like terms, and it's 8x and negative 3x are like terms. So we bring down 3x cubed plus 6x squared plus 4x squared is 10x squared, plus 8x minus 3x is positive 5x minus 4, which is the last term. And this is the conclusion. It says when we multiply a trinomial by a binomial, the result is 6 individual products. Using a table is one method you can use to help organize these products. So when you have to solve similar problems, use the table and figure out the solutions. Don't forget, when you have all the area inside, try to combine like terms. Okay, this is going to be another problem in Google Slides. So is example 4, multiply a trinomial and a binomial. So find each product. You have to find each product for A and for B, and to give me the final result in the Google Slides. I hope you guys are enjoying this videos and you're learning something. See you next time.